Welcome back to New Car Updates, your go-to channel for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting returns in recent muscle car history, the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle icon. After years of speculation, Chevrolet has brought back a nameplate that defined American performance for decades. The 2026 Chevelle is here, and it's not just riding on nostalgia, it's built to compete with today's modern powerhouses. Let's start with the interior, because that's where you'll spend most of your time, and Chevy did not disappoint. Step inside the 2026 Chevelle and you're met with a refined yet aggressive cabin that blends vintage cues with high-end materials and tech. The seats are heavily bolstered, trimmed in leather with contrast stitching, and even include subtle throwbacks to classic Chevelle styling. The dash design is clean and purposeful, featuring a large digital driver display and a center touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with Chevy's latest infotainment system. Expect wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and a premium audio system as standard in most trims. What stands out is the driver-focused layout. Every button and screen is positioned for optimal accessibility and the flat-bottomed steering wheel feels performance-ready in your hands. While the cabin leans heavily into modern comfort and connectivity, it doesn't forget where it came from. Subtle design nods like Chevelle script badging and retro trim patterns bring the heritage to life without making it feel dated. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle icon comes with a competitive price tag for a modern muscle car that aims to be both nostalgic and forward-thinking. The base trim is expected to start around $45,000, offering a naturally aspirated V6 with solid output and great value for daily driving or weekend cruising. Step up to the mid-tier trim, which pushes you into V8 territory, and you're looking at around $58,000. This model adds more aggressive styling, performance-tuned suspension, and additional interior luxuries. The top-tier Chevelle SS or Icon Edition, still under final branding, could touch the $75,000 mark but delivers serious firepower and track-ready features. This puts the Chevelle right in line with competitors like the Dodge Challenger, Ford Mustang GT, and even the Camaro, which it essentially replaces in spirit. Performance-wise, the 2026 Chevelle means business. Depending on the trim, you'll have a choice between a turbocharged inline-4, a naturally aspirated V6, or a high-output V8. The most powerful version will reportedly push over 500 horsepower, delivering brutal acceleration and that signature American muscle roar. Chevrolet has tuned the suspension for a more balanced ride this time around. It's still rear-wheel drive, but offers adaptive dampers and an optional performance handling package. On the road, the Chevelle feels planted, fast, and surprisingly refined, with steering that's both responsive and confidence-inspiring. The engineers clearly worked to make this not just a straight-line brute, but something you can genuinely enjoy in the curves. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle icon is more than just a revival, it's a complete redefinition of what a modern muscle car can be. It honors its roots without being stuck in the past and brings just the right amount of retro flair to a high-tech platform. If you're a longtime Chevelle fan or just love American performance, this car deserves your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to New Car Updates for more in-depth reviews and exclusive first looks at the hottest cars hitting the road.